What's up, everyone? This is the Crypto Blueprint. I'm back with another video dropping jewels on blockchain technologies. That's the whole point of my channel and the videos that I create. I help educate people on decentralized platforms, blockchain technologies that are designed to help the user capture value off their data, off their time, even off their hard drives. I'll be posting a lot of videos on blockchain technologies with actual working products and utility. My hope and goal of this channel is to educate people on these products, on the tech, and ultimately help them transition away from the current centralized model. The model in which is designed only to extract value from the user rather than giving them power and control over the value that they produce through their contributions. That's the whole point of blockchain technologies. That's why these developers create these software. It's really designed for people to benefit from their habits, from their activities. And really the first step in capturing value is through your web browsing. Everybody has a computer, everybody has a phone, we all browse the web, and if you're using Firefox and Google Chrome, you're getting nothing from it other than just content. You can do the same with the Brave browser and at the same time accumulate BAT token, a token with real value in the real world, a token that's listed on many prominent exchanges, crypto exchanges, and I think that's reason alone to use the Brave browser. But I created a video showing people how to install the Brave browser. I'll add it to the link to the description, and I'm just going to get to how to set up the profile so that you can adjust the level of ads that you see per hour. So right now you'll see on the screen, when you launch the Brave browser for the first time, you're going to get presented with something like this. And, you can adjust this to whatever you desire and you can name it. I'm going to name the profile T because I'm going to end up deleting it anyway. You can choose the background color and the avatar. Done. And then you're going to get this welcome tour. Again, I made a video on this. I went through this tour and explained a lot of the features of the browser, so I'm just going to skip this for now. Now you'll see that the home page, and you'll get presented with a couple of metrics. The Brave browser is really optimized to not use a lot of computational resources, so it's really good for a phone or a laptop. And really what matters for this video is clicking on this BAT token logo. You will do so, and then you'll get presented with a quick tour. I'm going to X this out for now. And in this menu, you'll see a button to verify wallet. You can verify the wallet, but you can only really do so once you have 25 BAT tokens. You could speed this process up by adding funds, by buying BAT tokens on an exchange and then transferring it to this wallet. Although I think the only reason you'd maybe want to do that is if you wanted to tip content creators. That's the only reason I think you'd want to do that. Otherwise, you can just wait until you accrue enough BAT tokens to verify your wallet. That's about it. You'll see I have a balance of 0 and then what its value in USD. You can change this currency to whatever currency you care about. I'm going to click on reward settings right now. So you see everything that I clicked on this when I click on the BAT token logo. Everything I see here is going to be on the right hand side. Now I'm going to initiate the Brave rewards. I'm going to click on that because I'm going to show you everything that matters. I'm just going to X this out. So there's 3 boxes here that really matter. Tips. If you want to tip content creators directly, you can do so. There's nothing really here on the ad settings. Next will be the auto contribute. So Brave has a feature that automatically distributes whatever BAT token setting that you set here. You can set to 1, you can set to 20. And say, for example, you spend 70% of the time watching a particular YouTube channel. It will send, if you have 1 BAT set as a monthly payment, it will send 0.7 of that to that YouTube channel. I recommend that you turn this feature off until you've accrued enough BAT token to verify the wallet. Not because I'm against tipping content creators, but because I think you should have enough BAT token in your wallet before you actually use this feature. So, and that's what this video is for. It's for new people that are using this browser for the first time. So we're now at the box that matters, which is the ad box. As you can see, estimating pending rewards, next payment date, ads received this month. Every time you see an ad, it will get counted towards this metric. Next payment date, June 5th. When June 5th rolls, you'll get a notification, this BAT token logo. You'll click on it, and there's going to be a button that says claim rewards. You'll click on claim rewards, and then with some time, you'll see the balance that you've accrued appear in this wallet. So make sure, obviously, that this box is turned on. So you'll know it's turned on when it's blue. Next, you'll click on the ad settings because you want to adjust the level of ads or the amount of ads you see within an hour. Click on this, and as you see, it's set to 5 by default, which is good because you want to maximize the amount of BAT tokens that you receive while you're web browsing. But if you're busy and you don't want to be bothered, you can adjust it to 1 if you want. Next, it will give you state level ad targeting. I turn this off because I generally disagree with this functionality. But that's really your preference. It's really up to you whether you like it or not, and if you want to activate it. And that's pretty much it. You can exit out and you can begin using Brave just as you would any other web browser, and you can begin your transition to decentralized software, decentralized platforms, ones in which allow you to capture the value of your time, your web browsing activity, and your data, and transition away from centralized platforms that are only designed to extract value from you. Thank you, everyone, and if you liked the video, please SLS on the bottom, and look, keep an eye out for more videos that I'm going to post. Thank you, and I'm out.